Welcome back, YouTube. Sorry, your boy, he been gone for quite a minute, man. I've been had a lot going on. I've been going to night school, and then I had to study for this big exam. And guess what? I passed, you guys. Thank God. That was good all the time. So yeah, today, y'all, we're gonna be I'm coming back with more videos. That's still no excuse. I still should have been doing the videos. But today I'm coming back with some baked back ribs, and I got some Smithfield's chicken and barbecue grilling and dipping sauce. Their rib sauce is what they call it. But they don't serve ribs, so I was like, I'm gonna make some ribs and I'm gonna get them to get the recipe from me. Hopefully. So I got some nice squared ribs from the commissary. It don't like we're gonna have to do no trimming to them. So what we're gonna just do, I've been letting them sit out and get the room temperature for about 30 minutes. So before I wash them off, I like to get the membrane pulled off, you guys. To me, it seems like it's easier to get pulled off before I wash it. I don't know if that's just me. It's just my choice. So you can see we got the membrane nice and stripped off. So what I'm gonna do, we go take them over here to the sink and wash them off. So in this mixture right here, combined together, I got some sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're just gonna take this, we're gonna keep it really simple. I was gonna do my rub, but I figured I'm gonna keep it more simple and let that barbecue sauce flavor come out more. So we're just gonna dash it across. So I already got my smoker out there lit, sitting at about 245 with some pecan wood. We're gonna go ahead and gear the head out there. So we're gonna place some meaty side down. We'll come back and check on them in about 2 hours, and we're gonna spritz them down with some 1 in 4 water and apple cider vinegar. All right, so we 2 hours in on our smoke. You
See how they starting, the bones starting to pull back a little bit. They starting to get a little color. So we're gonna come back in 45 minutes and spritz them down. Stay tuned. Alright, so we 3.5 hours into smoking the baby back ribs. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them in some foil. Sorry about that. I'm gonna put a little apple cider vinegar and water, 1 and 4. Just so we get some steam in there. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap them for 2 hours and just let them smoke at about 275. And watch how they be falling off the bone when we come back in 2 hours. I can't wait to dig into them and put this Smithfield barbecue sauce on. Stay tuned. Alright, so we know let our sauce get nice and set. We're gonna go ahead and pull them off. You can tell that nice redness from that sauce, how good it look. Nice. Woo. Can't wait to cut into these. Let's go on in the house. Let's go ahead and cut in here. So yeah, they came out amazing, nice and tender. You can see right there, just pulls off, no tug, not too mushy. So let me see how this the ribs and the sauce go together, since they say it's a rib sauce. Really goes together nice and good. The season not too overpowerful. So the sauce is, you guys, it's like a little bit sweet with a vinegar, with a little tang. The sauce is good though. If you never had it, if you never had Smithfield chicken and barbecue, and if you ever in the area of North Carolina, just stop by and try it. The key ingredients are some apple cider vinegar, some brown sugar, water, hot sauce, and red peppers and salt. That's that main key ingredients in it. I don't know exact amounts or anything. I wish I did. I would tell you guys. But I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. I also like to thank y'all for all the support that you guys been doing. I know I haven't been uploading, but I still appreciate it. I've been noticing all the comments and the new subscribers I've been getting. Thanks. Be sure, hey, to give this video a thumbs up. More videos will be coming to you guys soon. Drop some comments below. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.